Aloha, everyone! Welcome to Season 1, Episode 9. Guys, no, Sam, I don't want to. Wait a second, guys. What happened?
What the
What
garbage?
happened to me?
What the garbage?
What's going on?
What the garbage?
Alright, that should be back on. There we go. Wait, guys. Not all the electoral votes have been counted. See, some of the votes have not been yet counted. But Trump still said that he claimed victory.
Sorry guys for this interruption. Sorry for this interruption.
What's happening?
Ugh.
Ah,
Ugh. My God.
let's get into the state already. I'm lonely. Hey, it's me, Nebraska. Come on, let's make some explosions today, yo. Make some explosions for 5 minutes, tops. Alright? Let's make some explosions for 5 minutes. Hi, Missouri. Alright, we're dead. Sure, bro. Hi, Missouri. Oh, hi. Hi, aloha, Missouri. Aloha, Wyoming. We won! Within the first minute! The first 2 minutes! We won within the first 2 minutes, y'all! Guys, oh my God! Alright. See what state we get. This one's difficult. Oh, boys! It's me, Vermont! Whoa, I have 3 electoral votes and I already went to Biden. AK? Isn't there an AK abbreviation somewhere else? I don't know. But where am I? It's hard to see me. Oh, the AK. You guys can't see the AK thing that well. Big Alaska, you guys are in me. Big Alaska, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Yeah. Oh no, he won again.
Oh, sledgehammer.
Oh, I keep winning.
Oh,
Just one little explosion. I don't even care what state we get.
sledgehammer.
Choose random state. Me, Massachusetts. I'm done talking to Kyle, so you can bring me along with the trip. Oh, God. Guess you keep winning. The Statue of Liberty in New York. You're in the state. Hey, me and Josie. Let me make an explosion. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm too small to make one. I'm too small to make one. I can't see. Oh, hey. You knocked me over, Arkansas. Yeah, I did. Alabama, Alabama. Yeah, we'll make an explosion. Oh my gosh. This is like the best one yet. I know what's happening to us. What's happening? What's happening, Arkansas? Well, according to my clone, $2,000, by the way. This is scary. Guys, once this explosion's over with, we can leave, alright? Okay. Nick, what the hell y'all doing? Alright, guys, that will be the end of our video for now. But we will make more explosions later today. We didn't really have much time because Jaden has to go do his schoolwork soon. So goodbye, everybody.